In today's fast-paced world, it's easy for our respiratory health to take a hit. But here's the good news: certain herbs can help cleanse your lungs and even combat the flu. Yes, you heard that right. Discover the power of a herbal lung cleanse that acts as a flu buster, and the best part? It only takes 16 hours. Please remember that like and subscribe may look simple for you, but for us it's very valuable, so thank you so much for your support. First, let's talk about eucalyptus. Its active compound, eucalyptol, can help to break down mucus and clear your airways. Soothing and refreshing, this herb is a true respiratory champion. Next, we have oregano. This ancient herb not only adds a delightful flavor to your dishes but also has potent antimicrobial properties. It can kick those flu viruses to the curb in no time. Moving on to ginger, a versatile herb full of health benefits. With powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties, ginger can help reduce inflammation in your bronchial tubes and ease respiratory discomfort. Don't forget about peppermint. With its cooling and soothing effects, it's excellent for respiratory issues. It contains menthol, a compound that can help to relax the muscles in your respiratory system, allowing you to breathe more comfortably. And last but not least, we have licorice root. This herb not only gives a sweet taste but also possesses expectorant and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help to reduce mucus buildup and soothe your respiratory tract. You can start by incorporating these powerful herbs into your diet or sipping on some herbal teas. Your lungs will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. Take care of your lungs, and stay healthy.